Hi friends, it's review time. So I'm going to try today this Fry Family's fries chicken style burger, which is vegan and it's meat free. And I have kept these in my oven. See, these lovely beautiful 3 pieces are getting baked. Till the patties get baked, my ingredients are ready: lettuce, tomatoes, onions, cheese with mayonnaise. This Americana mayonnaise, it's egg free because I'm vegetarian, so everything is going to be veg. I'm flipping them after half time. It smells so nice, really. Time to assemble the burger. I'm using this usine sesame seeds burger buns, and now I'll be putting the cheese in them and put it in the oven. Time to put the cheese slice. I'll take the buns out. The cheese is completely melted. The bun is ready. Now I will take these beautiful crispy patties out. I'm going to take it, place it over my burger. On the upper side, I'm going to add the mayonnaise and a little bit of ketchup. Now I'll place the lettuce, tomato, and some spring onions. Add some salt and black pepper and put them at the part. It looks delicious. For you.
Thank you.
Just take a bite and let us know how is. So, how's it? So Mr. Husband has given his review and it's a thumbs up. The burger is great, well cooked and tastes as similar to the chicken one. So fries, you guys did it.